Yes, brackish water treatment by electrodialysis process. Okay, this process is very useful process. 15 years ago, it is established this process. Okay, it is more than ion exchange and reverse osmosis process, nano filtration process. This is the good process because it is a large quantity of water is required for the industries and the companies and so many domestic purpose and municipality point of view. Mainly what happened, the brackish water is converted into a soft water. Brackish water nothing but a saline water. Saline water means river water, sorry, sea water.
Salt water,
Salt
salt
water,
water.
yes, completely meaning is salt water. The salt water is converted into drinking water, a soft water, by using electrodialysis process. Electrodialysis process, this is the very important process. Low cost of membranes, low cost of power. Yes, so many advantages of the electrodialysis process. Okay, what is the basic principle of electrodialysis process? What is the basic principle? Electrodialysis is a electrochemical process. Electrodialysis is a electrochemical process whereby electrically charged particles, ions, are transported from raw water. Raw water means sea water into more concentrated solution through ion selective membrane by applying electric field. By applying electric field. Okay. What is that meaning? Yes, it is a electrolysis process. It is a electrolysis process. Okay. This is a one container. This is the one container is there. Okay, one container is there. Here is we are applying some membranes also there. Here anode, cathode, we are applying electricity. Applying electricity. Generally, what happens in electricity? What happens? Some ions are attracted, some cations are attracted, anions are attracted. The middle water is a soft water. Very simple. Middle water is a soft water. This is known as a electrodialysis process. Okay. Electrochemical process, I agree with you. Here is some charged particles are there. What are the charged particles? Na plus Cl minus, Sk plus Cl minus, K plus OH minus, H plus Cl minus. Like so many ions are there. So many charged particle ions. Even charged particles ions. Why say charged particle? And chemical energy converted into electrical energy. HCl is a strong electrolyte. Using HCl, we are converted power. Okay, these are known as a charged particle. These are known as a charged particle. These are all charged particle transported from raw solution into a more concentrated solution. Into a more concentrated solution through ion selective membranes by applying electricity. Suppose this is the water. This is the water. This is the feed water. This is the saline water to the yes, electrodialysis cell. Here some membranes also there. That is into a more concentrated solution through ion selective membrane. These are called ion selective membrane. These are called ion selective membrane. Right. These ions are selected. These negative is allow the positive ions. The positive is allow the S negative ions. And the negative ions means Cl ions are completely deposited here. Na plus is deposited here. Right. This Na plus is deposited here because of attracted, more attracted by yes, strong electrodes, more attracted by strong electrolytes. All cations are deposited here. All anions are deposited here. All anions deposit. That's why positive terminal is anode. Yes, negative terminal is cathode. Here, all positive are deposited here. All negative are deposited here. Completely, the ions are completely attracted by very strong electric field electrodes. Very strong electric field electrodes, right? The strong electric field electrodes are completely attracted Na plus Cl minus cations and anions. This is the best method for purification of saline water to soft water. I'll repeat once again principle. The electrodialysis is an electrochemical process whereby electrically charged particles, ions, are transported from raw solution into more concentrated solution through ion selective membranes by applying electric field. See this diagram, here anode, here cathode is there, here attracted all ions, here attracted all ions. In the chamber is more concentrated. Lot of concentration here, lot of concentration here, more concentration here. The concentration solage is removed from the other source and we will get the pure water. Soft water is, dilute water is there. We get the pure water or soft water from the middle source. This is the middle source. That is the basic principle of the electrodialysis process. Basic principle of the electrodialysis process, right? And coming to working model, working same thing. What's the first, you take the saline water into the chamber. Yes, 3 chambers are there. Okay, first you middle chamber, what happened, you are arranged many membranes are there, hundreds membranes we keep are there. What happened, it is filtered, but strong electrodes are required. Strong electrodes are required, both sides strong electrodes are required. The charged particles are attracted by electrodes. That is the important thing. Here is what we are using. First saline water is required and ion selective membranes are required and strong electrodes with external electric field. Thus 4 things required for the electrodialysis. Electrodialysis. Do you know dialysis process for kidney? Dialysis. Do you know dialysis? Do you know dialysis for kidney? Kidney, what happened? It is a contaminated of some metals.
Yes, sir.
Contamination of metals. We are unable to filter some metals in the body, in blood. That's why we should be remove the metal by using a dialysis process from the kidney. Do you know?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That metals, it's not able, it able to filter. మన కిడ్నీ నుంచే మనకి ఏ ఫుడ్ అన్నా మనకు డైజెస్ట్ కావాలి కాబట్టి సమ్ మెటల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. అప్పుడు యాక్సెప్ట్ కాలేదంటే కిడ్నీ ఎఫిషియన్సీ తగ్గిపోయిందండి, అంటే లెస్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ కిడ్నీ. Same thing is there. Here is the kidney and nothing but here filters are there. Some selected filters are there. Able to, yes, able to. The negative is able to transfer here. The cations are able to transfer this ion selective membrane. 2 membranes are keep there. One is the cations. All anions are allowed. Here membrane is anion. All cations are allowed here. And cations, cation membrane, anion membranes. Here is the membranes are separated. The yes, attract చేస్తుంది. అట్రాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, బై యూజింగ్ 2 ఫిల్టర్స్ ఈ అయాన్స్ ద్వారా మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ మెంబ్రెన్స్ ద్వారా లాక్కుంది, గుంజుతుంది. ఎస్, అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంది. ద మోర్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎస్ డ్యూ టు ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఎందుకు జరుగుతుంది, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్, more electric field is applied in the system. So totally the ions, charging ions are completely Na plus K plus Na plus Cl minus is removed by using this process, right? Like this. See, here is the Na plus SO plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, right? Completely absorbed in this process. Here is absorbed. It is a anode, it is a cathode, is absorbed like this. We get the soft water. This is the small diagram. Okay, Na plus K plus is completely removed by the strong electric field like this. What is this theory? We can explain this. Okay, electrodialysis chamber compresses of sheet like a barrier made up of high capacity, highly cross-linked ion exchange regions that allow passes of ions but not of water. Ions, only water is just ions are attracted, not water. Please understand here. Only ions are attracted. The completely ions are attracted. Okay, one is the 2 types of, one is the cation exchange, anion exchange membranes are there. Cation exchange membranes consist of insoluble matrix. This is the polymer and mobile cations only. Mobile cations. And the whole mobility means movement of cations. Recede to into the pore space. In the pore space that allow the pass through the only cations. That's why that is known as cation exchange membrane. What is the anion? Only anion exchange membranes consist of insoluble matrix and mobile anion residue into the pore space that allow the pass through only anions. Only anions are there. Cations, anions, exchange membranes are installed alternatively in the tank. Alternatively, arrange the alternatively there, that is called electrodialysis cell. By impressing electricity on the electrodes, the positive anode attracts negative ions in the solution. Positive anode attracts the negative ions, while the negative cathode attracts the positive ions in the solution. This is the very important. Okay, cation exchange, anion exchange is only cation exchange, only cations are allowed. Anion exchange only anions are allowed only. This is very important. Okay, after that what happens? Strong electrodes are attracted. What is the attracted? The positive anode attracts negative ions. Positive anode is attracts negative anode. Yes, and the negative cathode is attracts positive ions in the S solution. This is very important for electrodialysis process, right? And coming to the point, the background information. Okay, salt in what takes from ion switch because they are charged to move under the influence of electric field. Electrodialysis used in applying electric field to remove these salts ions through ion permeable membrane. Same thing is we are discussing. Okay, the ions are removed, the charge particles. The charge particles, cations, anions are removed by ion exchange membranes applying electric field, external electric field. That is the the background information. How does electrodialysis work? The question is salt in the water takes form of ions which because they are charged move under the influence of an electric field. Electrodialysis used an electric field to remove these salts like NaCl, CaCl2, MgCl2. Majority of the salt is NaCl. Salt water is mainly salty. NaCl is more contamination. That's why it will be removed by using electrodialysis process. And one more important is electrodialysis applied for the removal of dissolved salts from the water. Among the desalination process such as ion exchange, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis. These main advantages of electrodialysis are high water recovery, selective desalination, and low chemical demand, low energy demand. Yes, what are the advantages there? High water recovery, that is the more advantages, and another advantage, low chemical demand, that is the second, and third one is low energy demand. Three things are very important compared to other methods: ion exchange method, nanofiltration method, reverse osmosis method. You should be these three. Yes, this electrodialysis is the best method for the purification of water. Okay, this is the use quantities required for the industries. We should be installed these machines. We should be filtered to get the pure water. Already Jagan means YSRCP is also launched this kind of industries. The seawater only used for the industry. The coming days, the groundwater is very scarcity. That you should be more aware of these plants also required. Okay, please install the these all companies must be use electrodialysis process. That 3 months back, they are initiated these plants. So that is the electrodialysis process, right? This is the electrodialysis process. Okay, I will repeat again. What is the basic principle? This is the electrochemical process. The charged particles, cations or anions are passing through the ion selective membranes and attracted by strong electric field. Attracted by strong electric field with the electrodes. That is the basic principle. Okay, what are the requirements are there? Saline water is the requirement, and ion selective membranes, that is the cations and anions exchange membrane, and fourth one is what? Strong electrodes are there. Very strong electrodes are there. Okay, strong electrodes are applied in the process. That is the important things. Okay, this is known as a electrodialysis process. Okay.